Una Europa is an opportunity. We are really here working together because we are like constructing something from scratch.
It's about diversity and cooperation, and this is what Una Europa is about.
You can't really confine yourself to human health, or you cannot really confine yourself to animal health. This really requires not just a whole of science approach, but actually now, what really COVID taught us is the importance of the whole thing.
The solution is also to unite, to have a common voice. Because there have been many voices talking about One Health, and the fact that we are now a complete alliance that is having one voice is being much better heard.